Standard 4th, Subject EVS. Hello students, I, Mrs. Rajni Beth. Today we have going to learn the first chapter of EVS 1, the life cycle of animals. Before starting the lesson, let me ask you some questions. So first question is, what do you see in your surrounding? So answer is plants, animals, stones, house, buildings, etc. Question number 2. Does all animals look same? No, they look different. Now question number 3. What does the hens give us? Answer is eggs and flesh. So each and every animal have its own life cycle. But in this lesson, we will learn only the life cycle of hens and butterfly. As we know, all animals, human beings, living things, they are growing. The growth take place in them. The growth of animals. Some animals give eggs while some gives direct birth to their babies. A hen, crow, spider, snake, lizard and butterfly, fish lay the eggs. Some animals like cow, cat, sheep, goat, dog are born from their mother's tummy. Tummy means stomach. These animals do not lay eggs. Their growth takes place in their mother's tummy. Firstly, we will see the examples who gives eggs. We know about hen's eggs, but some other animals too gives eggs. They are very tiny. Here children's tiny means small. So we are not able to see them. Now we will think how the chicks come out from the eggs. A hen lays eggs after laying them. Hen sits on the eggs to keep them warm. The chicks inside slowly keep growing. When the growth is complete, the chicks breaks the eggshells and come out. This is called hatching. This is a new term for you children. This full process is as known as hatching. Children, you can see in this picture the full hatching process. Now see in this picture. The first peak, as I said, hen is lay the eggs and sit on the eggs for some time to give them warmth. And when the hens give warmth, the chicks start growing inside in the eggs. When their growth is completed, the chicks breaks the eggshell. This is called eggshell, and chicks are come out. This is called as hatching. Now we will see about the butterflies. Metamorphosis. Some animals look very different when they grow. This change of form is called metamorphosis. Now see students, we can see in this picture the life cycle of butterfly. The butterfly gives the eggs. After giving the eggs, it forms the larva. After the larva or caterpillar, it goes inside the chrysalis or pupa. And after the growth takes place and it fully change into a butterfly. So students, butterflies are so attractive and beautiful. We feel like to catch them, but it has to undergo various difficult stages while they grow. Let's see that 4 stages. So first step is eggs. Second stage is caterpillar or larva. Third stage is chrysalis or pupa. Now the fourth stage is adult or butterfly. So students, this is the first stage of butterfly. Eggs, caterpillar, chrysalis and adult. In this picture, we see a leaf. On these leaves, you will see white spots. That is butterfly's eggs. So first the butterfly gives the eggs on the leaves of plants and then it forms the larva. You have seen butterflies are of various size and shapes. The female plain tiger butterflies lays and eggs on the milkweed or rui leaf. In 6 to 8 days, the larva emerge. Emerge means come out from the eggs. It is called caterpillar. When it comes out, it is very hungry. It eats very fast. So growth is very rapid. As it grows rapidly, in first 2-3 days, it does not fit in its skin anymore. So under the old skin, the new skin is formed and this process is called molt. It molts 4 times. It remains in caterpillar stage for 10 to 12 days. Before the molt, the caterpillar weaves a bottom of a silken thread and hangs itself on the stalk. This is called as chrysalis or pupa. It is inside 10 to 12 days. It does not eat anything when the growth is complete. The adult butterfly comes out from the chrysalis. It has 4 attractive wings, 6 long legs. So, this way all the butterflies' growth take place. So, students, you can see in this picture the chrysalis. So, students, we can see in this picture how the chrysalis is. It is hang on the branches of the tree. It has the cage type of thing. When the growth is complete, it's come off from the bottom side and then it has all things, attractive wings, 6 legs. That is how the butterfly is ready. So children, what we learn in this chapter? Yes, hens and butterflies life cycle. Now students, I hope you all understand the lesson. Here we come to the last part of this lesson. We start with true or false. Now first question is, all the animals look same. Answer is false. Second, we cannot see the eggs of ant because they are very tiny. Answer is true. Answer the following questions. What is metamorphosis? Answer, some animals look very different when they grow. This change of form is called metamorphosis. Question number 2. What is chrysalis? Before the molt is the caterpillar weaves a bottom of a silken thread and hangs itself on the stalk. This is called as chrysalis. Question is, how does an adult butterfly look like? Answer is, the adult butterfly look very beautiful and attractive wings and 6 long legs. Student, this is the homework for you. Question 1. Draw and color the picture of an plain tiger butterfly. And next is, you have to explain the new terms. First is hatching and second is molt with the help of this video or your textbook. Thank you.